Welcome to Contracting Conversations. My name is Scott Williams, and I'm joined by my co-host, Jim Valley. Today, we are talking with Dr. Renee Butler, DAU's Learning Director for Price, Cost, and Finance. Welcome, Renee, and thanks for joining us today.
Well, thanks for having me, Scott.
You bet. It's our pleasure. Hey, Renee, to start us off, can you please tell us what the Excel skills for data analytics is all about?
I'm happy to. Scott, one of the fundamental skills contracting officers must learn is how to determine a fair and reasonable price. Often, that analysis involves looking at large volumes of historical data. By using data analytics tools, we allow the contracting professional to sift through that large volume of data to determine trends, identify anomalies, and make accurate forecasts. In addition, contracting professionals must often present this data to decision makers, and learning how to present that data in an easy-to-understand format is critically important.
All right, thanks, Renee. So how is this credential structured?
Well, Jim, this credential starts with a short video from our senior contracting leadership across the department, providing their opinion on why having a data analytics skill set is so important. That is followed by 3 online self-paced courses: Excel Fundamentals for Data Analysis, Data Visualization in Excel, and Excel Power Tools for Data Analysis. Together, these courses will teach the learner how to clean and prepare data for analysis, how to present the data in an easy-to-understand format, and how to use tools such as Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power BI. Finally, we included a capstone video that describes various uses for data analytics and visualization tools within the contracting career field, and an explanation of the pros and cons of several tools, such as Power BI and Tableau, which are 2 of the most common data analytics tools.
Renee, that sounds like some really good information that's contained in this credential and be really valuable for the folks that take it. So who do we see as our target audience?
Well, Scott, this credential is intended for those individuals who must analyze a large volume of data and then present the results of that data. However, I have to caution you that this credential is restricted to individuals in the acquisition workforce. And that's because we have leveraged courses through our DAU Coursera license. These courses are taught by Macquarie University professors out of Sydney, Australia. I would also advise learners that if they are not already familiar with Excel, or if they're not sure that they even need this particular credential, that they enroll in either CCON 018 Excel Skills for Business or CCON 017 Pricing Tools and Techniques.
All right, thanks, Renee. That seems like a really robust credential that a lot would find beneficial. I appreciate you coming to the show today to discuss CCON 016 Excel Skills for Data Analysis and Visualization credential.
Well, thanks, Jim. It was a pleasure to be here, and I'm happy to come back and talk about anything within the pricing portfolio whenever you would like to have me back.
Yes, and we are definitely going to have you back. So we look forward to future segments with you. We'll delve further into related credentials, Excel skills for business, and pricing tools and techniques. That is all the time we have for today, but please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our Contracting Conversations channel, type any comments below to include your questions for discussions, and spread the word of this channel to your peers and to those you supervise or lead. Let us help you answer their questions. We look forward to having future contracting conversations with you.